Hi everyone, so welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. Today again we're going to do it in the kitchen because I know you have that few minutes in between something's cooking, on the stove, and you have that minute for yourself. So let's again bring your feet together, hands apart, close our eyes and take three deep purposeful breaths. Big inhale through our nostrils and exhale. Big inhale and exhale. The last one, let's visualize our shoulders in the exhale. Ready? Big inhale and exhale. Great job. So I invite you to join me in saying these positive affirmations, or you can design some of your own. I am brave. I am safe. I am courageous. I am calm. I am happy. Great. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Awesome. So we're going to mobilize our arms a little today. So you're going to do some arm circles. Okay? Because we have a lot of tension on our shoulders, right? Because of the laptops, the phones. Now opposite direction, please. While you're doing this, you're going to breathe normally. Right? Now you're going to repeat it to our left. Let me continue to stay here. That's it. And opposite direction, and of course be careful you don't touch anything hot. That's it. And move your elbows and punch in front. This is a bit for your upper arms. Get that strength, that courage. Good. All right. So now we are going to mobilize our waist. So waist circles. Rotate to your right. Good. So this will help you with digestion if any of you have issues with that. Good. Excellent. So place your palms, hands apart, feet apart this way. Inhale, exhale, go down. Yeah? Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So try to use your palm and touch your calf muscle, your shin, right? Go with the breath. So inhale up, exhale down. Let's keep going. This is also really good for digestion and also to wake up your waist, right? That's it. Hands apart, feet apart, deep breathe. Big inhale and exhale. Great job. You're going to bring your hands and interlace them over your head, up, up, up. And you know what goes next? You're going to bend to your right. Inhale, push your left hip to your left side and exhale to your right side and feel that nice stretch on your left side. Imagine someone's pulling you from the right side. That's it. Inhale, up, up, up. And push your right hip to your right side. Then exhale and bend. Feel that nice stretch on your right. That's it. Inhale, up, up, up. Exhale, hands down. Let's take a breath in. Big inhale. And exhale. Let's do some simple jogging or star jumps if you want to, right? Depending on the area you have at home. So of course you can do it on the yoga mat. I'm just trying to keep it a little practical during this move challenge. That's it. You feel that heart pumping. You can do faster if you want, right? No issue. But if you do feel a little stiff in your ankles, you can first mobilize the ankles and then try this, especially if you're going to do the star jumps. Right, and stop. Big inhale. And exhale. Good. Bring your feet together. We're going to balance on our toes. Inhale, sweep your hands up, up, up. Balance on your toes and imagine someone's pulling you from the top. Feel that nice stretch on your calf muscle and your glutes all the way up, up, up. Feel that energy, the higher energy coming into you, because when we crouch our back gently, we are attracting a lot of negative energy. Inhale, exhale down. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, up, up, up. You can feel how small, subtle movements can give you that blood flow, right, and good energy. If you can't hold it, of course, then you can do inhale exhale. Yeah, there's always an alternative. Inhale, hold, but breathe normally. Inhale, exhale down. Very good. Good job. All right, let's deep breathe. Hands apart, feet apart. And deep breathe. Let's do 3 purposeful breaths. So imagine in the inhalation, you're getting good energy in, and exhalation, you're sending the negative, doubtful thoughts, anxieties out of your system. Ready? Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Good job. Let's connect back with those affirmations. Remember that you took this time for yourself. You are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. You are brave. You are courageous. And you are calm. Feel that energy vibrating through your fingertips, all the way to your crown. That's it. Good job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Good job. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.